Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. In this quick guide, I will walk you through a simple steps to delete your payment information from TEMU safely. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Launch your TEMU app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Different options will appear. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you are in Settings page, different options will appear. Click on the option Your Payment Methods. If you have updated your TEMU account with the payment method, it's gonna appear in this page. At the moment, I haven't added any payment method in my TEMU, so it is not showing any payment method in this page. But in the case you have added your debit or credit card on TEMU, it's gonna appear in this page. You have to click on that. For that, you'll find the option of Remove Card Details. Click on that. Your payment method on TEMU will be updated. You have just removed the debit or credit card on TEMU. Likewise, if you want to add a new one, click on the option of Add Debit or Credit Card. Provide your card details, expiration date, CVV, card number, billing address, then click on Add Your Card. With that, your new card details will be updated. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily remove debit or credit card on TEMU. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.